I had a dream about this painting. Not this crazy world, my brain's not that crazy, but I had a dream. I had a solo art show, and all the art was mine, but I didn't recognize a single painting. It was in a style I've never done before, but I remember them vividly. I remember the most this painting. All the dark elements were in a reddish pink tone, and the mushrooms and beauty were emitting a bright glowing blue to green. I woke up in a panic and immediately started trying to extract what I saw in my dream. I remember the colors, fragments of thoughts randomly generated beside each other. I wish I had more dreams like this.